Get everybody there at gate. Hey, okay. Part 3 is going to be at 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime. Part 3 will teach you my complete trading strategy. You got to get on to part 3. It will be this evening, Australian time. Okay, I've just gone through and done a bit of a scan across margin pairs, and a lot of the margin pairs sort of cross over into the perpetual contracts anyway. So whether you want to trade margin or perpetual swaps, perpetuals, then you've got the option either way when I show you what we've got. This is what I found. Okay, so Filecoin. Let me just no, don't want to make it bigger. What I want to show you is this up 35%, big move, right? I'm not looking at it on the daily. I'm actually going to these lower time frames. Look at this. Look at this cyclicity. Higher, low, boom, high, higher. Like I want to see it pull back maybe a little bit deeper. Want to go to the 30? Probably not. The 1 hour does look quite nice. I'd like to see it in around that 36 region. Really, really, really nice looking chart there. Bitcoin as well. First thing I'd like to say to Bitcoin is thank you. Thank you for giving me the week that I've been waiting for quite some time. That week closed up, well, last week, sorry, closed up 13, close to 13.5%. No mean feat. And as you can see here, that Cradle strategy, which you're going to learn tonight, slower, which you're going to learn tonight, is that candle right there. Beautiful move. It's extended very, very well. This trend is now very much bullish. Does that mean I'm bullish the entire market? No, it means I'm bullish on Bitcoin. As I move lower down onto the daily, you can see again, pulled back into the cradle zone, bullish candle, very, very strong run. Now, don't be surprised if we do see a bit of a pullback this week. Why? Because from the high of that candle to the high of the move, I think it was about 20 or 14 or 20%, something like that. To see a pullback of like 10%, you know, getting us back in around that 12,000, it's just back in the cradle zone. And markets, the more they move away, the more likely they are to pull back. So we are likely to see a pullback at some time. Will it be snap your fingers, snap, crackle, and pop, and we see it pull back immediately, or will it take a little bit of time? I don't know. Bitcoin in particular, it tends to do it pretty quickly. So we'll have to wait and see how we go there. Don't be surprised. Like I said, if it falls back, if it pulls back, it's healthy. That being said, it's also, you know, not much for Bitcoin to do a 14-15% move. You know, it's not a huge week. It's not a huge week, so it could still have legs. As I go down lower, what I'm saying is just be cautious no matter what you do, right? And don't freak out if we do decide to move low. I can't talk. Looking at the 30-minute here, what you'll notice is we broke out through 13,040. Now we've got this high. I'd like to see it pull back. We've got a bit of a cycle starting to occur now on Bitcoin. It's just a matter of waiting for those little bullish candles just like this, but down in here a little bit further. So it's not there just yet for me, but Bitcoin's starting to show the sort of chart structure that I like to see before I start to trade. BSV also, looking at this on the 4 hour, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. What I'd like to see is I'd like to see it pull back, maybe in around this 176 level. Get me back into there. Why there? Well, 176 through here we got, I know it's not an exact level, it's not perfect, but if I show this to you, look, resistance, it's not perfect, but it's about trying to work out where would work best for me, and a pull back into that 176, 177 region would look quite nice. Little bullish candle in there. We'll also have, you know, the moving averages in the correct order, pulling back into that cradle zone, and good convergence on the MACD on the 4 hour. 8 hour also lining up there, and if we look at the daily now as well, higher low, higher high, it has done quite a few things that it's made it a little bit more bullish. Although not the greatest of charts on the higher time frames, it's down on this 4 hour that I am stalking it for potential long trades. Last but certainly not least is dot. Let's have a squeeze what we got here. That's right, it was the 8 hour. So what I've done here, I've just got it in a watch list because higher low, high. There is resistance up around this $4.47 mark, right? If we were to push up from here, it's got to be from here, there's a higher low, push up through that level. A pullback into there could present me with beautiful trading conditions, and I'm willing to wait to get exactly what I want from the market. Now, this could change overnight as well. Don't forget that. Sorry, it could change very quickly. Markets move very fast. That's why I love this market. Some fantastic trading conditions over the weekend on Bitcoin. There were some losing trades there as well, but there was definitely some more winners then lose is when you come back down. Look at this. Last week was just a magnificent week for those trading the strategy you'll learn tonight. One here, lovely move. Another one here, lovely move. Another one here, lovely move. Now, I did not capture that one. Okay, that was one that I put out to my community, and I just didn't get a fill. I did on this one up here, and I did on this one over here, which plenty of profits have been available. Like I said, all of those trades, that hit 1-to-1, that hit obviously multiple times movement. This one here, more than 1-to-1. It's just been a bonanza. It really has been a bonanza. So make sure that you're keeping an eye on things. You're working through those checklists that you'll get tonight, and you're working through the time frames, finding the best opportunities. Guys, have a fantastic day. I shall speak to you again in a couple of hours' time. Thanks very much for your time. Bye for now.